Hey, what's up, Kisho holder? So this is the latest update of Kisho coin, my friends, to what's going on in a Kisho. Let's get started this brand video. I request you, my brother, to please click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification. Because if you subscribe this channel, then this channel update you every time, every hour. So kindly subscribe. Thank you so much. Okay, my friend, this time the Kisho as last 1 hour chart is already on the screen, my friend, and this is the latest last 1 hour. You can see here the last 1 hour is positive change occurred is in a positive plus 4.39% they moving up, but the price is zero. What's the reason to the price is zero, my friend? Can you know about this? I hope you know. You don't know. This time the price is come to zero because this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency as well down and those days. And this is one big reason, my friends, to people starting selling and those days. So I think this especially short time investors starting selling now. So therefore, my friend, the price come to zero and the change occur at this time also is in positive. So definitely, my friend, this is the second week start now of this month. So definitely the change occur is in positive. But my friends, Kisho is not a small and coin, my friend. This is one of the viral coin this time in the crypto market. If you check out, this is absolutely the first week every cryptocurrency fails down, but Kisho is one of the unique coin today. Yes, absolutely, I am right. You can see here, this is one of the unique coin today. They take a jump. They moving up like a rocket. You can see here plus 3.99% they change occurs in a positive. So I think this is very small change occur, but definitely all crypto markets fails down. So if they change occur just in positive, then absolutely this is very good news from all of you. So kindly holders, please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit, and I hope you like this video because this is the latest update. You understand? Please like this video, subscribe this channel every crypto, and don't see this chart. This is every cryptocurrency fails down in the start of month, but definitely you can see they fail, they take a jump, they change occurs in positive. So this is very good news from all of you. I hope they hit it 0.5 US dollar just at the end of this month. I hope what you say. Please like this video. If you want to need this time more informative, please like this video, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.